Do you know what, guys? Today's the day. Guys, today is the day that I'm going to show you where I stay. Woo! Okay, first things first, we are going to the kitchen. And I'm going to show you what we have here. Follow me behind, follow me behind. So guys, we are in the kitchen. Forgive me for this shoddy arranging. I know it's very hard as a man to arrange things. Let me warm some water first. Yeah. You know, it's a little bit cold, so you must take warm stuff, like warm water and warm everything. I think that's enough. Tastes nice. And always remember to preserve energy. Okay, here we have the cupboards, my eggs, cereals, spices, lots of sugar, cooking oil, and some toiletries. Here is where I arrange my utensils, and I know this is not the best arrangement so far. Okay, my microwave is from Bram. My cooker is from Bram. Not sponsored. I like this cooker. It's very, very amazing. This is the best thing that I love in this home. And yeah, I guess we're done with the kitchen. Oh, and I forgot, we have a blender here from what? Oh, from Binaton. Binaton. Yeah, it's an okay blender. And I think we're done with the kitchen. The next stop will be the toilet. And I really love this toilet. It's not the best of the best, but yes, guys, it gets the jobs done. And I know, once again, it's not the best or the big space that a toilet should have. Okay, guys, this is my living area. That is my couch. A very cozy couch. Okay, that is my beloved home theater or speaker. I really love some music, if you should know. I really love music, hands down. And that's my computer, my desktop for my job, which I normally do, which I'm not going to tell you today. And guys, that's my television, which I rarely use. Dirty clothes. Forgive me, it's not the best of arrangement so far, but at least I tried. Okay, and that doll. That's my bed. My laptop that I use to edit these YouTube videos. Mosquito killers. Oh, my chair. And not forgetting this tripod stand, which is super, super amazing. I love it. It helps me film these amazing YouTube videos so that you guys can watch. Yes, and before we forget, we have here my internet provider. They go by the name Poor Internet. And to tell you the truth, guys, these guys are terrible at providing internet. I've always complained each and every day about their services, which are not amazing. Unluckily, there are no other internet providers around this place that I know of. If you know, you tell me which other good internet providers are there. And for a close-up clip, I'm going to show you a 360 of my home, a 360 of my humble home. Okay, we'll start from the kitchen. Yeah, you'll start from the kitchen, going to the living area, the television, which I rarely use. Oh, and the butterflies on the wall. Again, they are for someone really special to me. And did I tell you guys, I really love these colors. They're amazing how they managed to paint different colors on the wall and stand out. It's really amazing. And my bed, the cable for my internet provider, suits on the wall. Oh, my beloved maroon curtains, and That's where the door is on the window. And to finish off, on your left side, we have the toilet, which I said the placement is amazing. And the switches on the wall. And then we're back to the kitchen. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. It's not my normality to show you my humble home, but yeah, I really had to show you where I stay. It's a BEDSITTER, which I really love, and it's a very humble home to me. Drop down the comment section and do your things, blah 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 blah, comment, ask some question. I'll be here waiting to answer some little question about this home, which I really do love. And I really have a lot of things in this home, which makes me think twice if I want to move to a very big space, which by the end of the year, maybe I'll be moving out to a very big space, and I'm gonna show you a tour of that humble home. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and subscribe, and share, and subscribe, and share, and just do your thing, and make me happy. Yeah. Catch you in the next one.